I'm Kimberly in San Diego, California. If you've never caught my live before, I'm going to make a creamy peanut butter mousse tonight. Cassie, can you hear me?
Okay, now I got it.
Okay, now my husband says that he can hear me on his computer. Sorry, y'all. Hi, Wanda. Hi, Phyllis. I hope everybody is having a great and wonderful Saturday. Sorry about the no audio in the beginning. I'm going to need to do like a triple check. So I'm going to make a creamy peanut butter mousse tonight, and then I think tomorrow I am going to work on trying out some low-carb, gluten-free tortillas that I can then use in my Taco Tuesdays. So I put the beaters for this in the refrigerator to get them nice and cold, and also this bowl because we want that whipping cream to double in size. Hi, Tina. Hi, Wanda. How has everybody's Saturday been? Have y'all had a good Saturday? I've been running around like a crazy person. I went back to my eyebrow place to get an exchange on the lotion that I bought. They were really very sweet about it. And then I also ended up going back to Costco to buy more stuff because their sale on personal products ends in a couple of days. So, hi Tanya, how's everybody doing? Anyways, if you are catching this live, if you will drop a 1 for me and let me know where you're coming in from. If you're catching the replay and you don't see that little red box up in the corner, if you'll drop a 2 or a hashtag replay for me, and I'm so sorry that I missed you. And if you do not want to miss my lives again, just tap anywhere on the screen, hit the 3 dots up in the corner. Halfway down is follow, and then you can hit follow first or turn on live notifications, and you'll be notified every time I go live. So, and if you're new and you've never seen me, I would love for you to drop new down in the comments. That way I know and I can see you and I can say a special hi to you. Because I love getting to know everybody that's watching me and viewing my recipes. So I am just whipping this heavy whipping cream up. I want it to double in size for the mousse. I don't think it's quite there.
Suggestion?
What?
You need to extend your arms a little. You're picking up noise from the mixer.
Oh, sorry, y'all. Hi, Karen. Okay. So, anyways, I did that, and I also went to Costco, bought some stuff. I'm really kicking myself for this because I really wanted to take a picture of this guy's shirt. And it basically had a quote on it. And it basically said that if you're not into supporting women and everything that they do and supporting women-owned businesses or women moving up in the company, that you kind of have no right being in business. So, which was it was so amazing for me to see a man wearing a shirt like that. So, I wish I had gotten a picture for y'all, but we were kind of in a hurry, and he was further behind us and did not seem very approachable for a person that had that shirt on. Whew. Anyways, what have you all done for today, for Saturday? Have you done anything fun and exciting? Okay. And I just doubled this heavy whipping cream by whipping it in a cold bowl, and the cold bowl is extremely important for that. So, okay. And now I'm going to add peanut butter. As you all know, we're a gluten-free household. Skippy does make this gluten-free, and it's 2 1/4 tablespoons of peanut butter that's going to go in here. I should have grabbed another spoon out earlier. Oh, Phyllis, that's great. I love weddings. They are such fun and happy places. So, the recipe actually calls for a natural peanut butter, but I'm going to use Skippy because that's what we have. And this one has a total of 4 grams of carbs for every 2 tablespoons. So it's really still very low carb. Y'all, I'm looking at this peanut butter and thinking I should just grab a spoon and eat. Like, just have a spoonful. Does anybody else like eating peanut butter, like just grabbing a big old tablespoonful of peanut butter and eating it right off the spoon, like not worrying about anything else for it to go on? Ooh. Okay, so that is 2 1/4 tablespoons of peanut butter. And oh, honey, I forgot the cream cheese. It's sitting in the microwave. Can you grab it for me, please?
Microwave? Why do we put it in the microwave?
We put 4 ounces of cream cheese in the microwave because it needs to be room temperature. And our dog likes to eat things if we leave them out on the counter.
Especially if it's cream cheese.
Yes, especially cream cheese and butter. If y'all haven't seen that video, there was one day I had to delay our live twice because my dog stole the butter off the counter when I was leaving it out to get back up to room temperature. So my doggy is keto too, apparently. So I am going to use this Swerve confectioner sugar replacement because we do watch our carb count here. And I will say I have a lot of people ask because I do some things that are low carb and not necessarily keto. We are not keto. We are very low carb. We do eat some things that are very keto, but I'm more lazy keto, I guess is what they call it. So I would love to know if you're strict, lazy, dirty, or not keto at all. So 4 and 5 tablespoons of confectioner's, well, this powdered confectioner sugar replacement that I have from Swerve. Usually I like the Lincanto brand. It's a monk fruit sweetener, and that is my favorite sweetener. Hi, Andrea. Hi, Patricia. How are you doing today? I almost just twisted the vanilla off. If y'all know me, I love, love, love my vanilla, and I will put more than the half a teaspoon that this calls for in here, but I don't want to pour the whole bottle in. So the recipe calls for a half a teaspoon. I'm going to put a little more than that in, just because I love vanilla, and I think that you can never have too much vanilla. I just got stuff all over my arm. I do. You can see it in the video. I got like peanut butter on my arm.
Sorry, I was reacting to
Oh. Okay. If y'all don't know, my husband sits at our kitchen table, or at least he's sitting at our kitchen table tonight, and he watches my videos, and he lets me know if my sound is off or if the lighting is off. I have a very wonderful, supportive husband that has really found a way to help me with this. Like, he sets up my lighting and camera angles and all of those other fun things. So I added 4 ounces of cream cheese to this, and we are going to beat it up and mix it together. You ready? I do recommend using a deep bowl for this, or maybe putting the confectioner's sugar on the bottom. I probably should have done that to begin with, just so that the sugar doesn't plop back into your face. So, I absolutely love peanut butter. And I prefer a creamy peanut butter. I don't know about y'all. If you prefer creamy or if you prefer it with nuts. Actually, I want to know. Because I want to know, we had a neighbor that used to make a peanut butter candy growing up every year for Halloween. And I've been thinking about this for a little while. It was almost like a granola in a lot of ways. It was very crunchy, but it had this like peanut butter frosting that made it hard and yummy and just so good. And I am thinking about messaging her. I'd have to talk to my parents and find out her information. But getting in contact with her, finding out what she put in that recipe so that I can come up with a low-carb version of it. So with Halloween coming in, what is it, a month left before Halloween? Maybe a month and a couple of days. I would love to know, do you guys like homemade candies? Would you like to see me make some homemade candies? I do know that I plan to make a keto version of marshmallows. I've never made marshmallows before, so it could end in disaster. But I do plan on making it. I know my husband loves s'mores, so I am going to see what I can come up with for a s'mores equivalent that is sugar-free and keto-friendly. So I would like to know, would you like to see me make homemade candies? Would you like recipes for homemade candies? Because if so, I will find a way to incorporate that before the big Halloween. And I also want to know how many of you are celebrating Halloween this year. I want to say somebody sent me a message that LA County was canceling Halloween. And we're in San Diego County, and San Diego tends to follow LA stuff, so we shall see what happens. So I am mixing this together on low to get that heavy whipping cream in. And it's almost done. So once this is done, I will put it in the fridge for it to firm up. Ooh, that looks really good. So I will be putting this in the fridge to firm up. Hi, Tina. How are you doing tonight? And then once it firms up, I will be portioning these out into little glasses or ramekins or something to take pretty pictures with. This, y'all, it's really, I wish you guys could see just how creamy and thick it is. But I'm going to put this in a cup, and I'm also going to put some Lily's chocolate chips with it when it's time to eat it. And that's how I'm going to serve it. And y'all, I have been taking a look around on Amazon because, you know, I love me some Amazon. And I have found a company called Choc Zero, and they have some peppermint dark chocolate chips that are keto friendly, and I am thinking about ordering them and coming up with a dessert that is peppermint chocolate chip flavored, especially because there's 90 some odd days before Christmas, before the end of the year. And I am totally a Christmas person. Christmas is absolutely 100% my favorite holiday. I love all the holidays because I love to cook and bake and come up with ideas for them. But I absolutely love Christmas. I've always loved it, and now I love it even more for my kids. So this is what it looks like. Let's see if we can get the camera angle on that. Your mom's going Lily Ming's chocolate chips. Okay. I have to look at that. So this is what it looks like. I put some on this spoon, and so I'm going to just taste it. It tastes really, really peanut buttery, but really light and airy too. Yeah. This is supposed to make 6 servings, y'all. I think my husband may have to fight me for it, though. Just to be honest. Anyways, I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it firm up for 2 hours, and then I will take pictures and post it in the comments of the original video. So, if you're seeing this video and it's shared out on somebody else's page or in a group, go back to the original video and look down in the comments later tonight. And it's almost 7 here in San Diego. So in a couple of hours, I will post a picture of this for you guys so that you guys can see the finished product. Maybe I'll throw some homemade keto whipped cream on top. So I hope everybody has an absolutely wonderful Saturday night. I will be coming on live tomorrow night, like I said, with a new recipe. I'm actually thinking about doing tortillas because I know that's a hot topic for a lot of people. And it's a hot topic in our house too because there's really a hard time finding some really good, decent, gluten-free, low-carb tortillas. Or at least I haven't found any. If you have a recommendation, I'd love to hear it. So we're going to start making our own tortillas so that we have them for Taco Tuesdays because I love Taco Tuesday. If you got value out of this video, if you would please hit the share button and share it to your page, to your friends, to your groups. I love talking to new people. Also, if you want to be part of our keto community, we have an awesome community of over 400,000 people. And we all share recipes. We all give each other wonderful support. If that's something that you're interested in, just drop community down in the comments below and friend request me so that I can add you into that community group, okay? If we're not already friends, feel free to friend request me. And if you don't already follow me, like I said, tap my face on the screen. There'll be 3 buttons that come up in the right-hand side of your device. Hit that, go halfway down, follow first, or turn on live notifications, and you'll be notified each and every time I go live. Have a great Saturday night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.